Best hair dryers. Are you looking for the best hair dryers? In this video we will look at some of the best hair dryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer. About the testers, Sarah has a mix of straight and slightly wavy, 1C, hair that's bleached and color treated. She says, I can fully dry my hair in about 10 minutes, and that's impressive because I have fine hair but a lot of it. The Dyson Supersonic is incredibly fast, powerful, and well designed. My routine usually starts with a quick rough dry for a few minutes, then I apply my leave-ins and serums, wrap my hair in a towel to let it soak in, and return with a paddle brush if I want a smooth, sleek finish. The magnetic attachments are surprisingly convenient, snapping on securely without any fuss, and the cord is long enough that I don't have to twist or stretch to reach an outlet in my small NYC bathroom. It's not the lightest dryer on the market, but I haven't found anything that performs as well, so I've never felt the need to try another. Annie Blackman, a contributor, adds, using a Dyson Supersonic is such a treat, it's honestly the ultimate hair dryer. I love how fast and quiet it is, and it feels lightweight in my hand. The airflow is precise, so I don't get that frizz-inducing blast I've experienced with other dryers. My only minor gripe is occasionally hitting the on-off switch by accident because of its placement, but that's such a small trade-off for how well it works. I just wish it came with a brush attachment, otherwise it's perfect for my routine. Specs: 4 heat settings, 1600W power, 5 included attachments, diffuser, wide tooth comb, gentle air attachment, styling concentrator, flyaway attachment, weight 1.81 pounds, including cord, 9-foot cord. Who it's for? Everyone. Number 2. Shark SpeedStyle RapidGloss Finisher and High Velocity Hair Dryer. About the testers, Angela has long, wavy hair with 18-inch K-tip extensions. She says, my hair is wavy, and because I don't get haircuts often, it's pretty dead at the ends. When I first tried the Shark, I was blown away by two things: how lightweight it is and how quickly it dries my hair. I started with a rough dry using just the dryer, then attached the quick smooth brush, and in about 20 minutes, my hair went from soaking wet to silky smooth, a record in my experience. Shauna has thick, 3A curly hair that struggles with dryness and low porosity. She explains, I divide my life into BS, before Shark, and AS, after Shark. This tool has brought me that much closer to hair heaven. My hair has never had this much volume at home. Beyond the volume, it's lightweight, which makes blow drying so much easier. My arms used to get exhausted because of all my hair. The adjustable head allows me to reach the roots, which is essential since my hair tends to flatten at the crown. It also comes with a diffuser and can act as a regular dryer, so anyone in my house can use it, no matter their hair type. What impressed me most was the speed. It cut my blow dry time by 10 to 15 minutes while giving a shiny, bouncy finish. Previous blow dryer brushes left my hair dry and damaged, but this one delivers smooth, styled results without overexposing hair to heat. Specs: 3 heat settings, 1700W, 3 attachments, RapidGloss finisher, quick smooth brush, turbo concentrator, weight 1.66 pounds, 8-foot cord. Who it's for? People with straight to wavy hair. Number 3. L'Oreal Professionel AirLight Pro. About the testers, Sarah has 2B/2C curly wavy hair and usually air dries with a defined curl routine. She says, this dryer means business. It's incredibly powerful, and if you want to speed through styling, it's worth every penny. Using a round brush, I can style my notoriously tricky bangs in under 2 minutes, then switch to the diffuser attachment to take care of the rest in less than 15. It's efficient, precise, and makes my usual curl routine much faster without sacrificing definition. Lily has long, wavy, and frizzy hair. She explains, this is honestly the fastest dryer I've ever used. It gets my hair from soaking wet to completely dry in about 4 minutes. I pair it with a paddle brush for a smooth, straight base, then finish with a burst of cold air to lock in shine and smoothness. If I want, I'll go over it with a curler or flat iron, but even without extra tools, my hair comes out sleek, shiny, and compliment-worthy every time. I've never had a dryer perform this efficiently and consistently. Jessa has long, medium-coarse, wavy hair and adds, I usually dread blow drying, but the AirLight changed the game. My slightly damp hair was fully dry in 4 minutes and 4 seconds. I timed it, smooth and glossy. It's powerful yet gentle, removing moisture quickly without burning my hair. Even if I don't love styling, this dryer makes it almost painless. Specs: 3 heat settings, 1875W, 2 attachments, diffuser and concentrator, weight 1.7 pounds, 11.5 foot cord. Who it's for: anyone who doesn't have a lot of time to spend on styling. Number 4. RevAir Reverse Air Dryer. About the testers, Jessica has 4B coiled hair and often uses blow drying to prep for twist outs. She says, "My hairstylist told me that blow drying before a twist out can really help retain moisture, but even with a comb attachment, handling a traditional hot tool on my coils was tricky." The RevAir works differently. It's like a vacuum that uses suction to stretch and dry the hair simultaneously. I stick to the lowest setting, and my hair is fully done in just under an hour. It's a large machine, so it's not portable, but I make myself comfortable on the floor in front of the TV and catch up on K-dramas while it works. Jalen has locked hair and uses minimal heat but enjoys the RevAir for braidouts and other style looks. She explains, "What I love most is how quickly it dries and stretches my hair without extreme heat or tension. Traditional dryers would take me hours because locks are dense and hold water deep inside, but the RevAir works from the inside out, efficiently pulling moisture away. I've used it for over 4 years, and it has helped minimize breakage. I haven't lost a single lock. It's also versatile enough that my best friend, who has a completely different texture, uses it too. The only minor drawback is the wand can feel heavy and a little awkward to hold for long periods, but overall, it does exactly what it promises and more." Specs: 3 heat settings, 800W, 1 attachment, heat-producing wand, weight 8 pounds, 5.5 foot cord. Who it's for: people with textured hair who want a reliable blow dryer for protective styles like braidouts, twistouts, or lock maintenance. Number 5. GHD Helios Professional Hairdryer. About the testers, Deanna has dense, fine, curly 2C/3A hair and usually sticks to a wash-and-go routine due to time constraints. She says, "This tool really surprised me, in the best way. It's super lightweight, making it easy to handle, and even though my hair is short, it's thick and usually takes forever to air dry. With the Helios and its smoothing attachment, I was able to fully dry my hair in just 10 minutes, and my strands were noticeably shinier and smoother than with any other dryer I've tried. I didn't even need a frizz control product, yet I had zero frizz or flyaways, which is rare for me. It doesn't come with a diffuser, which I wish it did since I wear my hair curly most days, but for sleek styles or a quick dry, it absolutely delivers. It's not flashy or over-designed, it just works exceptionally well, and that's why I keep reaching for it." Ale has straight to wavy 2A hair that tends to frizz when air-dried. She adds, "This dryer is incredibly powerful. At its highest setting, it dries my hair in seconds, whether I rough dry or section it. It's so strong it even knocked a few things off my vanity. Despite being larger than my usual dryer, it's surprisingly lightweight, so even with long, thick hair, my arms don't get tired." The sleek design impressed my husband. He said it looked like a tool from a space movie, especially with the concentrator nozzle, which gives precise control. The cooling feature is more effective than my old dryer, and the button is easy to access without finger strain. I definitely needed this upgrade. Specs: 3 heat settings, 1875W, 1 attachment, air concentrator, weight 1.72 pounds, 9.5 foot cord. Who it's for: anyone who wants a quiet hairdryer that doesn't sacrifice power or performance.